What up, guys? You know, it's Marty. And we got today, the Raiders, they're playing against the Niners at 1 p.m. So that should be a good game and everything. But guys, you know, take a look around right now because it's a beautiful morning. Sun's are shining. Anyway, guys, so I'm watching Kevin Hart's show called Heart to Heart on Peacock, and you know, he had a guest on it. It was Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. Anyway, guys, so he had The Rock on there, and you know, The Rock was telling Kevin how WrestleMania this year is going to be in Philadelphia, and you know, Kevin Hart's from Philadelphia, and he's like, hey, you know, it's going to be there. And Kevin Hart was like, yeah, that's my idea. But of course, Kevin Hart was joking and everything. And then The Rock said, oh, so it's your idea? So did Nick Khan call you up and be like, hey, The Rock's going to be at WrestleMania, or there's a strong possibility that he's going to be at WrestleMania, and he wants you to be there? So guys, I don't know if they're just joking, but it looks like The Rock, he's going to be at WrestleMania this year, you know, maybe to face Roman Reigns. Who knows, and everything. And I guess main event Jey Uso, you know, he's gone over to TNA, or is it TNA? I think it's called TNA now. I don't know. I never watched that inferior brand and everything, because you know, I only watch WWE mostly because I don't get the channel that the other brand's on and everything. So, you know, just not carried on Fubu TV for some reason. But anyway, guys, so yeah, there's that and everything. So who knows what that's about? But yesterday I just showed you like some views of this ocean right here. So I think I'll do that again today, because I really ain't got nothing planned today besides watching the Raiders. You know, then I'm back to work again tomorrow. So tomorrow we're back at it for the work vlogs. So hopefully you enjoy that, and you know, take a look at this view, and I'll see you in a little bit. I guess. See you in a little bit. Boop. up guys, what up guys, what up guys, you know, it's Marty, we back. So anyway guys, those Raiders, man, did those Raiders get it done, 34-7, so that's great, you know, the Mariners couldn't get it done, but, you know, it's what it is. Anyway guys, enjoy these views because, you know, it's a glorious day out here, glorious day, little windy though, but, yo, enjoy these views.